Something is happening over there. I should say something big is happening over there. Something bigger than, say, when the Home Depot came to Guam. Some days when there seems like there's nothing to do, I'll just put the drone in the air and get some practice. I discovered though that while doing that, I could also easily check out the progress of the new Donki superstore being built just a few blocks from here. So for the last 8 months, I've been doing just that. A little bit here, a little bit there, recording the progress of the construction. Donki is a subsidiary store of Don Quixote, which is Japan's biggest discount retailer. Donki's retail space will be 160,000 square feet, and the store is expected to stock a full range of grocery items, including fresh, frozen, and shelved foods, drinks, and liquor, and is said to be host to have several in-house restaurants and eating areas with a barbecue space. The construction site is located at the corner of Airport Road and Marine Corps Drive here in Tamuning, just across Airport Road from the Home Depot, which is, by the way, one of the largest stores in that chain. I have to laugh because some days while flying, it's easy to get a little distracted by the beautiful views on such a beautiful day. And it's like, oh look, scenery. Originally planned to open in the fall of 2021, the opening of Donki has been pushed back nearly a year due to delays in construction. Barring any further construction delays, I've heard that September of this year is the new projected opening date. So, move over, Kmart. There's a new kid in town. So sit back and take in the progress from above.